Oo, ayaw ko yung wedding nito. Ayan na. Oo, dito.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. O, yan, kuha na kayo. Kasi mainit. Oh. Oh. Kuya, oh. Kulay. Oh, tumabi na lang kayo kasi tabi kayo kay kwentuhan din kami.
Internet pinili rin yan. Internet.
Pagod ako. Nakakatamad kasi mag-shopping sa labas. Mainit. Kaya nag-online shopping na lang ako. Mas madali pa. Marami ka po pipilian. Sige na. Practice na. Mag-practice na kayo. Yung renewal vow ulit. Practice kayo.
Sa ano sana sa
Parehas na kayo ng kuya ko. Smile. Oh, smile.
Sinong artista to?
Kuya, iniwan mo na naman ako. Buti ka pa nagpakasal na.
Ba, punta ka na ano?
Ano, akala ko iba. Akala.
Si kumalit kay Kuya Germs.
Tayo na lang. Joshua, Korean.
Or Josh.
Josh, Korean.
Meron ako dun ano.
Frankie and Leia.
Ang galing ko.
I know it's not sweet. Come here.
Galing-galing naman ni Elmer. Oh, ayan. Tingin.
Kaya-kaya ka i-clear yan.
Sa laki ng mga braso.
Excuse me, is this the bride?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
You don't know?
No, I don't know. I'm just a guest. My dad brought me. She's very beautiful.
Yeah. She's an actress.
I can tell.
She's a celebrity in my country.
Yeah, Christine Hermosa. Christine Hermosa De Castro.
Really?
Christine De Castro. Yeah.
Wow.
Number one beautiful celebrity in the Philippines. The water is so hot now. Supposed to be there. Supposed to be there. This.
Oh, is that?
Yeah. What's your name?
Jacob.
Oh, Jacob. Jacob is the one who prepared the water here.
Let this be your prayer. Let this be your prayer. Just like every child. Just like every child. Need to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved. And I feel it again. I insist on you. Don't get Jesus there.
In sickness and in health, to love and cherish you every day, until death do us part. It is my greatest privilege to stand here now and promise it all over again. I love you so much, and I will always win.
Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Amen.
My God, smell na ng ampanya ka, matatalo tayo. Ang dami
Hindi kayo mabenta ako maglalagay. Marami ng pwede pwede.
Eh, bakit sa loob? Bakit?
Hindi, mas swerte dyan. Mas swerte dyan sa harapan. Mas swerte dyan sa harapan.
Mabit na para.
Dito ba yan masabit?
Para pare. Yan.
Picture mo muna kami, Roy. Picture mo muna.
Palutin mo ako at alin sa iyong bahay para makain. Pero nito na tayo.